Taurus, welcome to my channel Cancer Moon Oracles. My name is Rosa and I am coming in with your weekly love reading, where in this video we are going to take a look at your current energy and the current energy of your person, whoever it is that you are connecting to and dealing with in love. This is a general reading, and if it resonates, please hit that like button to let me know. And if you would like to join the Cancer Moon community and you haven't yet had the opportunity to do so, feel free to subscribe. This reading can be good for Sun, Moon, Venus and Rising Taurian placements, and to the cross watchers checking in on a Taurus. Feel free to take the messages as they best resonate for you. In fact, Taurus and cross watcher, you may be able to reverse the roles here today. And Taurus, if you feel that your messages are not here, be sure to check out your other placements, as your messages may be waiting over there. Alrighty Taurus, I hope you've all been well. Let me know where you're tuning in from if you are tuning in for the very first time. This morning it drizzled here, cooling the weather down, I should say, so it's quite refreshing. And it may feel a little bit dark here in the video, so if you're wondering why, that's why. But otherwise, let's begin your reading. We're going to open up the reading by taking a look at your energy first with regards to the person that you're connecting to. So let's begin. I did see some reversals here. I don't know why there are some reverse cards. So if they do come out, I will read them in the upright. Okay, Taurus? So let's begin. Spirit, angels and guides, please show us the energy of Taurus with regards to the person that they are connecting to and dealing with in love this week. Please show us the energy of Taurus with regards to this person. Please show us the energy of Taurus with regards to the person that they are connecting to and dealing with in love. Okay, the Ten of Wands wants to come through. Ten of Wands. Okay, four cards are here. I'll take this first one. Oh, Ten of Wands to the Nine of Wands. That's a lot of Wands energy. What have we got here? The Queen of Cups and the Star card, with the Queen of Pentacles at the bottom of the deck. Seven of Cups is underneath the Queen of Pentacles. Okay. The Knight of Cups is here also, Taurus. So you may be connecting to a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You may feel like there is someone here that treats you like an option, okay? I'm just going to put it out there for some of you, okay? You may feel that there is someone here that treats you like an option and not a priority. You may feel with the Knight of Cups that this person kind of like pops in and out of your life. Because the Knight of Cups, the Knight is an action card. Like, this is what you call, you know, I call this my Romeo card. The Knight of Cups is like my Romeo card, you know, someone who's Mr. Charming, knight in shining armor. But when it comes in with the Seven of Cups, it's kind of like a too good to be true. And I feel with the Ten of Wands and the Nine of Wands, I feel like what you're recognizing this week, or what you're starting to feel this week, that it actually is starting to be too good to be true. It's like that energy, this is starting to feel like it's too good to be true. And because you're coming in as the Queen of Pentacles, like the Queen of Pentacles, she's very rooted into the earth. And you're an earth sign, so you don't like to get swept up or carried away with your emotional side. You have the Queen of Cups here, so I feel like there has been a side of you that really wants to believe that this person has your best interests at heart. You know, I feel like there is a side of you that really wants to believe that this person wants something serious here with you. But I feel that you don't trust, you're beginning to see through this person. Okay, you're starting to see through this person's true and real intentions. You're starting to see here, Taurus, this week, that this person is full of it. I see this Seven of Cups as like the smoke and mirrors. And because the Queen of Pentacles, she is rooted in the earth. Like, and you've got a good head on your shoulders. You're starting to pierce through the illusion or the charade of what this person was trying to like they were trying to paint this picture, you know, they were trying to paint this picture to you, you know. And with the Star card here, this person certainly was giving you this special treatment. They were giving you this special treatment with the Star card. And it almost feels like with the Knight of Cups, the Seven of Cups, and the Star card here, that they were love bombing you. But because you're coming in as the Queen of Pentacles, this week, this love bombing energy, it's not working. Because you're realistic, Taurus. Okay, you're realistic. Like the romancing and the love bombing and the sweet talking, it's not working. You're not, the Ten of Wands is here, which I like this. It shows a certain amount of strength and resilience within you. And I'm hearing the word, you're not buckling. You're not buckling. You're not folding. You're not letting this person, I want to say, you're not letting this person like affect you or destroy you. Is that a good word? However, with the Nine of Wands here in your energy, you're definitely putting some boundaries in place. I am seeing a wall here behind you. So you're kind of drawing a line in the sand with this person. Because you don't trust that this person has your best interests at heart. The Seven of Cups is here. Okay. And the Queen of Cups in your energy tells me that you want to be the only cup that is in this person's life. You want to be the only option or you want to be the only person that this person is pouring, you know, love into. Whereas this Knight of Cups, he's pouring his cup, whatever is in the content of his cup, he's pouring into all of these cups. And this Queen of Cups, she isn't going to be extending her cup out to this Knight of Cups. So he can, you're not going to be this person's side piece. So with the Star card here in your energy, Taurus, I feel like this is where you begin to start distancing yourself from this person, or this is where you begin to start releasing yourself from this person. Okay, that's what I'm feeling here for you. So I'm going to leave these cards here. And what's really interesting, look, there's the World card. So this is a really good card to have also, because this speaks to completion of a cycle, and it's a nice feeling. When I look at this card, it gives me a good feeling because there's a sense of accomplishment coming in with this card. It does speak to an ending of a cycle, but it's an empowering one. It's not like this is like you're deciding this ending, or you're deciding the departure or the closure of this cycle. So therefore, look at the posturing of this woman. She feels empowered, and I feel like this is your energy. Okay, this is you feeling empowered, feeling ready to, you know, finally close this book. Okay, so let's take a look at the energy of your person. So Spirit, Angels and Guides, please show me the energy of the person that Taurus is connecting to and dealing with in love. Okay. Okay, Spirit, Angels and Guides, please show me the energy of the person that Taurus is connecting to and dealing with in love. What is this person's current energy towards Taurus? What is this person's current energy towards Taurus? Please reveal this person's energy towards Taurus. Okay, what have we got here? Wow, wow, wow. The Two of Pentacles. The Two of Pentacles suggests that this person is in and out. This person is up and down with you. This person is wishy-washy. This person is inconsistent. This person may be juggling their energy between you and somebody else, between you and something else. This shows me right here that you are not this person's only priority. The Tower is here. The Tower. Okay. Well, when the Tower comes, I'll take the first card, which is the Seven of Wands. And then we have the Judgment card at the bottom of the deck. So as I was saying with the Tower card, I was channeling something there. Let me see if I can bring it back in. feel like I've lost it. The Judgment card with the Lovers. You could be connecting to a Gemini. And we have the Page of Wands, which is fire energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. And then we've got the Four of Cups here in their current energy also. Right. Okay, give me a moment. The Lovers represents choices. So clearly this person is in between two people. Okay, I feel that very, very strongly. This person has options in lovers. And obviously, Taurus, you're feeling that because you haven't got this person's full attention. Okay. Clearly with the Judgment card and the Lovers, this person is in the current energy of trying to decide which person they should be with. Okay, so they may feel this week that they need to make a decision between two lovers. I keep coming back to this Tower card. This person, Taurus, is coming through with Page energy. Okay, but they're presenting as Knight energy to you. And pages, and look, we've got the Page of Pentacles here and the Page of Wands. So pages to me are like it's an immature energy. This is someone who I feel with the Page and the Four of Cups, this is someone who is chasing like a good time, a fun time. This is someone who right now is kind of just looking for fun. Especially when it's coming in with the Four of Cups. This is someone who gets bored very, very easily. And as soon as they get bored, they're kind of already looking at the next best thing. Okay? This is someone who, and I don't feel like you can cure this person of this. This is the mindset of this person. Now, the Tower is here in this person's energy, which tells me that this person sets up connections that are destined to fail. They're destined to fall because, why? Because this is this person's mentality or mindset going into connections, going into relationships. They're coming in as the knight in shining armor, painting this picture that they're wanting a relationship, feeding you, like with the Star card, false hope, false promises. Like I feel like this person is giving you false hope or false promises, all the while they have no desire or no intention to take it anywhere. Right? And then when you and if you question this person with the Seven of Wands, they're getting all defensive and feeling interrogated because you're like, you promised me this, or you're saying this, and whatever else. You're questioning them. So the Seven of Wands, like these 6 wands here, can be like your energy, like questioning this person, and they're feeling like on the attack, on the defensive, feeling the need to explain themselves. The only reason why this person would get defensive or feel attacked is because when the Tower is next to the Seven of Wands, there was no real truth in what they were building in the first place. And that's what I was hearing with the Tower. This person was inauthentic. There was no alignment here. The only reason why they would be on the attack is because there's truth in what you're saying. Okay? Because if it wasn't true, this person wouldn't feel attacked. And it's as simple as that. So I am seeing, long story short here, this person is in between options. They are viewing you as someone who is starting to maybe detach or distance themselves emotionally. As soon as they feel you distance yourself emotionally, you will receive communication from this person, Taurus. And with the Page of Wands, I always view this communication as something kind of cheeky or flirty, something playful to kind of like reel you back in. Okay? And when the Lovers is here, sometimes and most often than not, it's something more physical, it's something more sexual. And it's with the Lovers, it's to tempt you back in, it's to reel you back in, especially when the Judgment card is here. It's kind of like to reel you back in. Okay. And then the reason why I say to reel you back in, because the Seven of Wands is here also, which is also another card that would indicate, what's another way of saying, maybe to excuse or explain themselves, explain why they've been MIA or missing in action. Especially with the Judgment card here, because this would mean the return of this person. Okay. So let me just quickly clarify this, and I'm going to have a sip of my water. So Spirit, tell me more about this Seven of Wands. I'm just seeing the Seven of Wands and the Judgment card, so it could be, like I said, the return of this person. It could be just a couple of days even, or a week, if you haven't heard from this person for a week or for a few days. It could be just to explain themselves or excuse themselves, and it's all just to reel you back in again, as if nothing ever happened with the Lovers, you know, to make you feel close again, to make you feel like you've got that true bond. So tell me more about this Seven of Wands. Why is the Seven of Wands here in this person's energy? Yeah, the Queen of Pentacles. So this is, like I said, it's a two-way street here. I'm getting two messages. The first one, Taurus, is you are maybe questioning them and they are feeling attacked. And they are feeling defensive. And like I said, I explained myself before, it's because they feel guilty. And the other one was if you are kind of acting stoic here towards this person, they are coming in explaining their absence with you. Okay. And it's because they don't want you to give up on the connection. So let's take a look. Let's take a look at this person's actions. Okay, so let's take a look at this person's next actions towards Taurus. So what action will this person take towards Taurus this week? What action will this person take towards Taurus this week? What action will this person take towards Taurus this week? Spirit, angels and guides, what action will this person take towards Taurus this week? Oh, the 9 of Swords is here. Okay, some cards fell in my lap, but I'm just going to pop them back in the deck. What action will this person take towards Taurus this week? The King of Cups is here. What action will this person take towards Taurus this week? Spirit, angels and guides, what action will this person take towards Taurus this week? The Empress is here, and you are the Empress, Taurus. Okay, the Empress is here. Okay, so with regards to their actions, Taurus, they're not going to do anything the first thing that I hear is they're not going to do anything disrespectful towards you. Okay? They're going to show politeness, and they're going to show respect in everything they say and in everything they do. Yeah. I feel like with the King of Cups and the 9 of Swords, they're kind of like, when it comes to their actions, they're going to do or say things that are going to feel very reassuring towards you. So they may be, with the 9 of Swords, concerned that you may have worries or stresses or concerns or doubts. They may feel that you don't trust this person. With the King of Cups, this person wants to squash all of that. The King of Cups is really good at showing you their love, that they are very protective, that they're very supportive. The King of Cups is very affectionate, and they're very loving. So like I said, anything that you may feel concerned about, like whatever you express here as the Empress, whatever concerns that you express, this person, with regards to their actions, will be attentive towards you. They will show empathy. They will show understanding. And because it's the King of Cups, this is masculine energy. So they're going to want to act on it from an emotionally mature place. Okay? So you're going to see someone step up this week. And I know that you've got, like I did see page energy earlier, but like I said, with regards to their actions, you're going to see someone step up. You're going to see someone elevate. All right, so let's grab an oracle card to close out your reading. Hopefully that was insightful and helpful in some way. Taurus, let me know in the comments section below if this reading was useful, if it was helpful, if it was resonant with you and your situation right now. Let me know if I mention the sign of your person. We do have Aquarius energy here. We've got Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. We have Earth energy also. All right. Dove Spirit, be peace. Dove Spirit, be peace. Okay, so what I'm getting from this card, Taurus, is I feel like this person is going to put your mind at ease or your mind at rest. But I'm also getting from this card to trust yourself. Okay? Yeah, I'm getting like this, be at peace with oneself is what I'm getting. Like trust yourself. Trust the messages that you're getting from your intuition and be guided by that. I mean, you've got the Star card here, so be guided by your angels. Be guided by your spirit. You may hear something, you may get a message here this week that will definitely put your mind or your heart at peace or heart at rest. Okay, so that's where I'm going to leave the reading, Taurus. Thank you for tuning into the reading. Thank you for your support, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, Taurus.